The second way of starting a prosecution is arrest and charge. It is usually done in more serious cases, or when police officer or some private person see a person doing something which is wrong or has probability that he is about to commit a crime. They can arrest that person and then take it to the magistrate. If the offense is more serious one, it is unlikely that summon procedure will be appropriated. For example, if a person is doing something wrong, it is necessary to stop that person from committing more wrong. And second is that if someone has committed a crime and police asks that he will be subject to the magistrate a few days from that day, that person might not show up to the magistrate court on time. So it is more preferable to arrest that person in the need of the hour. So if the police attend a pub where someone has been stabbed, they won't simply say that suspected the person suspected that you will be prosecuted for this offense. Then let him go on his way. They will probably want to question him as soon as possible, part of their investigation. This is the part of their investigation, and that shall have been put as evidence in the court of law. So, where the offense is more serious, the defendant is likely to be arrested. The police can arrest anyone whom they have reasonable grounds to suspect of an offense provided that it is necessary to do so. It will be necessary if, for example, they want to question him as soon as possible, or if they reasonably believe he will disappear if they let him go on his way. Once a defendant has been arrested, he must be taken to the police station where in due course a decision will be made whether or not he should be charged of an offense. But police shall follow all the procedures that are necessary for them to follow, and which shows them that how do they have to conduct their investigation or arrest. The police at the time of arresting the person has to tell them that for what ground that person is about to be arrested, and also tell that person that you have right to remain silent and anything you say could be and should be used against you in the court of law as a part of evidence.